homework 2-3. I would like to work together with you guys to get through this side quickly because you're actually going to have a decent chunk of time for a workshop for your remembering. So we're name, number, dating the top. We're showing those third grade behaviors so that we can get through this quickly and quietly. It's officially October, so you're right. It is 10/1/20. I love my friends who have organized desks were able to find this page really quickly, huh? Yeah. Numero uno. It's an 8x9 array. I don't know a rhyme for that. What's one strategy I could use to solve this? Rylan. See? My count by list? Ooh, why would this count by list work, Rylan? It's hard to see since I got that blue there, isn't it?
So it's like, so if you can count by 9.
Oh, you want to use my nines count by yes? And the answer is? Good work, Miss Ryland. 72. You could use your count by list. You could also have used your nines trick, right? If you make 70, put the next finger down, 72. The finger that's down would have been your answer. Good work, good work, good work. Okay. Numero dos. I'm going to wait till I see and hear third grade behaviors.
72? Yeah, what was it? 72. 72. Raven, silly girl.
There is a 2. There is an 18. How would I solve this problem if there's a total of 18 in the middle and a 2 on the side, Savannah?
You can count by 2.
You can count by 2s. Let's do it, friends. 2, 4,
6, 8,
10, 12, 14, 16, 18. How many times did you count by 2? 9 times. Numero tres. Oh, that was weak sauce. Numero tres. All right. Who wants to tackle this one? I've got a total of 35. There's 7 in a row. What could I do to solve this array, Mr. Lighter? 7 divided by 5. You know what? Actually, if I take 7, I don't think I can split it into 5 groups because... But could I do 35 divided by 7? And I think you may have already jumped ahead and that brain already knows my answer. Did you? Five. So really you were doing 7 times 5, I think. Sometimes our brains don't want to say the right thing, but you were right. 7 times 5 gives me 35. You could have listed your 7s count bys. You may have noticed that 35 ends in 5, so it's got to be a 5s fact, right? You could count by 5s and double check your work. River? Yeah, would you do that for me? Because I haven't learned that one.
So it goes like 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56, 63.
Oh my goodness. You guys want to add that to our songs list?
Yeah.
So she's saying that you can do Mary Had a Little Lamb for the 7th. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56. Oh, I must have gotten off. 56, 63, and 70. What did I do wrong, River? You sing it for me again.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56, and 63.
And then you just know 70? Okay. You guys want to try it?
Yes.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49, 56 and 63. And you just know 70.
Oh, that's panic.
Okay, numero cuatro. Tyrone planted 3 seeds every day for 8 days. How many seeds did Tyrone plant? I need a 3rd grader to tell me what type of problem this would be. How could I represent this? If it's 3 seeds every day for 8 days, what type of drawing is it? Emerson. Ethnical groups. How many groups or how many days? 8 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I went the wrong way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just used that itty bitty space right there. Because what goes inside each one? 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay. If I have 8 groups of 3, is that better? If I have 8 groups of 3, how would I write that equation? Miss Maddie. Gotta check your folders, make sure that desk is organized. Skylar, if I have 8 groups of 3, how do I write the equation?
Another question for 7. I just know 7 because of football.
Yeah, that's how I learned my 7s too, with football. Touchdowns. If you watch a lot of football, you kind of have the 7s in your brain because you know it's like 3 touchdowns will be 21, assuming they make the extra point, right? You could.
Well, if they make it
8 times 3 is 24
1,000,000. 24 seeds.
seeds. For the rest of these, hocus pocus. Oh my life, that would be hocus pocus. For the rest of these, I'm going to give you the picture, and I want you to solve them on your own. So, numero 5. If there's 6 players on a volleyball team, so one team has 6 players, they want to know how many players are in a game with 2 teams. I played volleyball last night, and guess what? My team was on this side of the net. This team was on the other side of the net, and each team had 6 players.
Did you actually?
I did actually. I play on Wednesdays.
What?
There's your drawing for number 5. Go back and solve it later because I'm moving on to numero 6. Joseph gave his 6 nephews $48 for helping him clean out the garage. The boys divided the money equally, so they didn't each get $48. It was a total of $48. And he took that total of $48 and the 6 of them split it up. So here's your drawing. You can solve from there. Solve it later because I'm moving on to numero 7. Mickey has 3 planting boxes for her flowers. Each box is 4 feet wide and 8 feet long. So it's 4 by 8 feet, and that's just one. How many of these does she have?
4.
How many planting boxes does she have?
3.
Oh man, so I'm just gonna draw 3 of them, and whenever I find the totals of the first one, I'll plug that into these other 2. How much area for planting flowers does she have altogether? Don't forget, area has a special label, and since we're measuring in feet, it will be not square units, but square. So there's your reminders. You do not have to do stretch your thinking today, but you do need to finish 5, 6, and 7 on homework, and then you also never have to do the letters, right? You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You only have to do 1 number puzzle. So pick which number puzzle you're solving.
Just 1.
Choose 1
The number
and finish homework and remembering.
confusing for me.